Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Arvest Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in mymortgage.arvest.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Arvest Mortgage. Now from the homepage, click on the login button at the top right corner and this will open up the login portal. Now just enter your user ID that you have set up while creating your account within the login ID box and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Arvest Mortgage account right away. In case you have forgotten your login ID or your password, you can find the respective buttons that you can click on in order to reset these credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Arvest Mortgage. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.